In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your logo design in Illustrator. We're going to wrap things up by exporting your logo the right way so it looks crisp, clean, and ready for wherever you need it. Start in Illustrator with your logo finalized on the artboard. Go to the top menu, choose File, then Export, and click Export As. This opens the Export dialog box where the most important decisions happen. First, type a clear, descriptive name for your logo so you can find it easily later. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the file. Keeping a dedicated exports or final folder helps you stay organized and avoid overwriting drafts. Now pick your format. PNG is great for web use and supports transparency, perfect if you need a logo on a colored or photo background. JPG is a small, universal choice for web previews, but it doesn't support transparent backgrounds. SVG keeps your logo fully vector for web and app use, scaling cleanly at any size. PDF is ideal when you need a print-ready file or want to share a vector version with clients and printers. EPS is an older but still widely compatible vector format used in many print workflows. Before clicking Export, decide whether to check Use Artboards. Turning this on exports only what's inside your artboard boundaries, which is helpful if you have sketches or extra guides sitting off to the side. If you're working with multiple artboards, Illustrator will let you export them individually or all at once. Click Export to move to the format options. These settings depend on what you chose. For PNG and JPG, set the resolution, use 72 to 150 ppi for screens and 300 ppi if you're creating a high-quality raster version for print. Enable transparency for PNG if you want a clear background. For JPG, adjust the quality slider toward higher quality for clean edges, especially around curves and fine details. If you picked SVG, keep it vector by using default styling and preserving editable text when possible. This produces lightweight, scalable output for the web. For PDF, choose a preset that suits print and preserve Illustrator editing capabilities if you plan to make changes later. With EPS, use compatibility settings that match your printer or collaborator's requirements. Once everything looks good, confirm the settings by clicking OK or Save. Illustrator will export your file, and your logo